So I have no idea what these are. Obvious, they're deodorant, but I've never kind of seen anything like this. So I'm assuming they're kind of like good for travel or the gym or whatnot. But without seeing these before or having any preconceived notion, I want to just take the refills out of the way, open it up, and see what the heck this thing is. Is it convenient? Does it save time? Whatnot? This sort of kind of look kind of cool. Kind of looks like a fly trap. This is super weird. Your cap. So like what's going on with this? Kind of take this out. And then what? Do you put this in here? Okay. So they click in and out like that. It makes a satisfying click. Chunk just flew off. But clicks both ways. Smells okay. I mean, it probably smells better than you do when you put it on. All right, so maybe you want to have different, ones. Why is this so hard to put on? Is it just for putting it on? No, because you probably put this over, right? No, it's not for putting it on. Okay, they probably do that on purpose. They don't want you to leave it on. They're like, hey, put the cap on. All right, that's kind of cool. That pretty, I guess, manly. The whole thing with like manly products right now is like they gotta be black or dark or like, I don't know, anything light, white, pink. That's like kind of good to ladies. Dark men's product. Look at Axe and all that. That's pretty convenient. And then you have your refills. Throw it in your gym bag. I'll leave a link in the description below. Pretty nice looking. And yeah, Dove. Innovative.